Okay, so this is April 19th, 2021. I traded two tickers, AMBO and CLOV. Um, yeah, I was happy on how I managed risk. Maybe I could have entered at a better area on CLOV and AMBO. I'll just go over them. Um, yeah, AMBO, it had news on something to do with Amazon. It's going to partnership with Amazon and launch AI training for teachers, which is pretty cool. I had an idea here on the daily level at $3 as well, pre-market resistance on here. Um, Essentially, I think I essentially just got chopped out. There was a very up and down action on here. Could have, I believe I entered here and covered some here, and then exited out again for the position. Uh, Again, I feel like I traded pretty poorly on this. I had the idea. I kind of read the executions properly. What I think I should have done is waited for this $3 area to play around. Because as you can see, it essentially just broke down right after. Yeah. Can't do much about it. What I can control is only risk, and I did control that. I respected my daily loss auto less limit, and yeah, we're just gonna move on to the next trade and keep on trading. So that's on the MBO CLOV. CLOV. This is Clove. This is from basically Friday, an idea that people are gonna sell off at the open. And it was gonna sell off towards that. It reached pre-market resistance on here. Um, Entered there and then recognized I think half here at 9.99, and then recognized some profit at the 9.90 area as well as the 9.64 area. Um, could have held on to this, but unfortunately I got my max auto loss got triggered. So overall, it's a red day, but I'm happy again on how I controlled risk. Um, Not gonna hit them all, but I am looking forward for tomorrow, and I am just going to be rinse and repeating the my same strategy. Thanks. This is April 21st, 2021. I only took one trade today, which was OCGN. Um, Pretty unhappy with this trade. There was a little bit of FOMO that I entered into towards pre-market. I was sitting patiently, and I had the urge to essentially just trade. Um, these When it reached these levels, I basically got chopped out um, towards pre-market. Uh, Eventually came up positive due to some pretty good executions. At the open here, I saw it reject these levels with high volume, so I entered and then covered some, I believe, here maybe, just because it was at pre-market levels, or sorry, support levels. So I exited there and then re-entered. I think here 200 shares covered 100 shares, and then played around with the core here. And then I entered short here, exited out here, and then re-entered around here, and carried that fade to essentially cover half here at the 628 area, covered 1/4 here, and then covered the last remaining portion of my position, this area. Overall, I think what I could have done better is not trade during pre-market, or if I were to trade during pre-market, is wait for that conviction to happen. I got to remind myself to um, always see the price action after it hits the key levels. As you can see here, it kind of played around these pre-market highs and played around this level. I think this was near daily levels that was happening, or the hourly. Um, but either way, I'm pretty happy that I came out positive and um, let my good trading habits, patience, and executions essentially just let me play in the game. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks.